Want to turn your personal Facebook profile into a business account? Here's how to switch to a business profile on Facebook in 2026. If this video helps, please like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. On Facebook, you don't convert a personal profile into a traditional page anymore. Instead, you enable professional mode, which unlocks business tools and insights. Open the Facebook app on your phone. Tap the three-line menu in the top right corner, then tap your profile. Tap the three dots on your profile. If you see Switch to Business Account, tap it and follow the steps. If you don't see that option, go back to the menu. Tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Scroll down or use the search bar and type Professional Mode. Tap it. Tap Turn on Professional Mode, then tap Continue to confirm. You'll now see a professional dashboard with insights, analytics, monetization tools, and audience growth features. Your friends stay as followers. Your profile remains personal, but with business features enabled. You can turn off professional mode later if needed. Professional mode is perfect for creators, freelancers, and small businesses. And that's it. That's how to change your personal Facebook account to a business account in 2026. Subscribe for more Facebook tips.